Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the right settings so Spaces works predictably. Open System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock, and confirm Mission Control options. If you use multiple monitors, make sure displays have separate spaces is set. It affects behavior. Once done, open Mission Control by swiping up with 3 or 4 fingers or pressing Control up. You're now viewing existing spaces at the top. This gives you immediate access to add, remove, or rearrange desktops, which is the foundation for organizing work. You'll add and populate spaces next to separate tasks. In Mission Control, click the plus to create a new desktop, then drag the window thumbnail into that desktop to move it. For persistent placement, right-click an app's dock icon, choose Options, and assign to a specific desktop or this desktop. This ensures certain apps always open in the chosen space. Once set, use control number shortcuts to jump quickly and drag desktop thumbnails to reorganize your workflow spatially and efficiently. You'll finalize by refining navigation and handling problems. Use full-screen apps as their own spaces and move between them with Control Left or Control Right. Control number jumps directly to desktops. Make sure gestures and keyboard shortcuts match what you use most, and group related apps into the same space to reduce context switching. If Spaces becomes unresponsive or thumbnails don't update, restart the dock with the terminal command kill all dock. And if that fails, sign out or reboot. This clears state and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.